And her slope is what?
25 over 1.
We go up to the
Right.
But we're going up by 25.
So
So
half.
we go up half a box. Mm-hmm.
So technically, wouldn't it be 2 over 1? Oh, what the?
He said, what the?
I'm not that smart.
Yes, you are. Look who's talking.
And I'm smarter. Yeah, we got like 6 missing
Prove it.
assignments.
Lewis is right about that.
Part A. Where do the graph lines intersect? What does it intersect mean?
Like,
Where do they what?
where they overlap.
Where they overlap or where they cross? Where do they cross?
6, 200.
Okay. Part B. What does the point of intersection represent? When you see that word represent, meaning in words. What does the 6 represent in words?
That they in
6 what? 6 is an X value.
In 6 weeks, they'll both have 200.
200 represents 200. No. 200 what?
Money. Their balance.
Mm-hmm. So how would you say that in words?
Yes.
After 6 weeks, both girls will have the same balance, $200.
Oh, Jules was a guy.
Hmm?
I thought Jules was a guy.
Jules is a girl's name.
I don't know, man.
After 6 weeks, both girls. Let's not get into that conversation. 6 weeks, both girls will have an equal balance. So out of all of those points, there's only one point that they have in common. 6, 200. 6, 200. So a system. System is where you have two or more linear equations, 2 or more lines that use the same variables. That use the same variables forms a system of equations. In other words, 2 lines on the same graph. 2 lines, same graph.
Yay.
Yes, yay. Anytime you see 2 lines on the same graph, the sole purpose of that type of problem is to find where they intersect.
Okay.
Okay? And this is actually something you learn in 8th grade math. I don't know. I don't think we learned this in 7th grade. Did we?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay.
AKA.
So, solution to a system. The solution to the system is going to be the ordered pair. What's another word for the ordered pair?
Origin.
The origin is an ordered pair. What's an ordered pair?
Point.
A point. That's all it is, a point. That makes all the equations in the system true. We're just looking for the point of intersection. You're trying to find where the 2 lines cross, period. But over the next couple of weeks, you're either going to be provided a graph so it's easy to see where they cross, or you have to know how to find that point of intersection when you're not provided a graph. That's the harder part. And those of you that actually do copy your calendar like you're supposed to, on Thursday, we are going to work, okay? Every class period is 30 minutes. I can teach and you can work and complete your assignment within 30 minutes. I purposely chose one of the easier calculator lessons for Thursday because I really can't. I can't continue to change my calendar because of everything that's going on. Okay, what's up?
Friday's gonna be a free day.
Friday, I don't have a choice. That one, your principal set it aside.
Yeah.
You can thank him. All right, so if I had a choice, we'd be working. When a system of linear equations is graphed, we can find the solution to the system by looking at the point of intersection. So in the examples below, we're going to graph. It tells us to check our solution, but we're not going to do all that because I'm going to show you calculator tricks to find that anyway. Okay? So, you don't need it today. You will eventually. Number 1. First equation. What is the slope of the first equation?
1/1.
Negative 1 over 1. So that means we're going to go up to the
Right.
left. What's the y-intercept?
-2.
So we start by plotting the y-intercept. We go up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1. And graph your line. When you can't go up to the left, you can go down to the right, as long as it stays as a straight line. Ready? What is the slope of the next one?
1/2.
So that is up 1, right 2. What's the y-intercept?
Yeah.
7. I can go up to the right one time, but I run out of space, so that means I have to go down to the left. And the whole point of systems of equations is to find the point of
Intersection.
yeah. So where do these two intersect? What is my solution?
-6, 4.
-6, 4. They're going to cross at -6, 4.
9.
Found my answer. Found my solution. It's easy until you don't know how to graph a line. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Some of us are still learning or struggling. Number 2. The first equation. What do you notice about it?
Just y.
Just a y with no x. So that means that this automatically has to be what type of line?
Vertical.
Or,
Horizontal.
which one is it? Hoy or Vux?
Horizontal.
There's a y in Hoy. The H in Hoy stands for horizontal line. Horizontal line going through where y is equal to 5. -5, sorry. So, I'm going to draw my horizontal line. Oh, that's ugly. There.
You're lucky you can compute it.
I know. The second line, what's the slope?
2/1. -2/1.
So up to the left. And what's the y-intercept?
3. -3.
So we start at the -3. We go up to left 1. When we run out of space, we go down to the right. And that way you can find your point of intersection. For this topic, it is very important that you graph a straight line, because you're trying to find where they cross. If you graph a curve instead of a straight line, they're going to cross in the wrong spot. So keep that in mind. So what is our solution? Where do they cross?
1, -6, or -5.
Yeah, 1, -5. If you do not have any questions, turn the page. Ooh. Hi, this is Grace from Amazon Recruiting. I'm about to quit my job. Look at that. We came across your profile.
Why?
I'm just kidding. Y'all don't get those text messages?
No. I
Oh.
don't get one from Verizon.
I just get Sonic.
Y'all just get bills?
I get Verizon. They say I owe $145.
Oh, Sonic? All right. Number 3, what's the slope?
5/1.
Positive 5 over 1, so up to the right. What's the y-intercept?
5.
Now, if I plot the 5, can I go up 5 over 1?
No.
So I have to go down to the left.
5.
This one is a pretty steep line, so be careful with how you draw or how you graph the line.
need a ruler.
You can grab a ruler. There's rulers over there if you want to do that. I know my OCD would not let me handle a crooked line. I think I do.
What is OCD?
Obsessive compulsive disorder.
What does that mean? Bro, what does it mean?
Where you have to have everything perfect.
Oh, it makes sense.
All right. What's the slope for the second one? A little bit.
Negative 3 over 1 cubic.
So up to the left, and the y-intercept?
Negative 3.
If you go up 3, left 1, you will find your point of intersection.
Man, so I drew this whole thing wrong.
That will be your downfall if you do not graph it correctly.
Can you keep that on the board for a little bit?
I can.
Thank you.
I won't.
Eat it.
I'm just kidding. So where do these two cross or intersect?
Negative 1.
-1,
0.
0. Okay. Those x and y intercepts were some of y'all's downfall on the test.
Yeah.
Apparently we still don't know the difference between -1, 0 and 0, -1.
That's true.
Number 4. We have an x but no y in the first equation. So automatically Hoy or Vux. Which one? There's an x in Vux. So we're going to draw a vertical line where x is 6. Ooh, I drew a pretty straight line. I didn't even have to use my whatchamacallit for that one. All right. The slope of the second one?
2 over 3.
2 over 3, meaning, yeah, up to the right. What's the y-intercept?
3.
+3. So make sure your y-intercept is up here. The hardest part of this is going to be the graphing because some of us are still learning to graph. Some of us still need to perfect our graphing. Hey, Suze.
What I do?
I'm just kidding. So, please don't make this a big deal. Where do they cross?
6, 7.
Yeah,
6, 7?
they do. So, the whole point of systems of equations, what are we looking for? The point of
Cross the intersection.
intersection. Yes. As you guys are finishing that graph, I'm going to go ahead and read ahead. Pedro is 10 miles from Sam's house and is driving at a rate of 0.5 miles per minute to meet Sam. Sam leaves his house driving at a rate of 0.75 miles per minute to meet Pedro. The system representing the situation is shown. Well, they've already given us the equation, so all we have to do is graph it. Okay? For the first one, for the first equation, what is the y-intercept?
A 10.
10. So we're going to start at the 10. The slope is in decimal form, but for me to have a rise over run, I need it in fraction form. What is the slope in fraction form? -1/2, meaning we go up to the left. I can't go up to the left because I'm already at the edge of the graph, so I need to go down to the right. Down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2.
I'm doing down to right 1.
You're doing it wrong.
No, I just not know that.
What's missing from the second equation?
The
The
y-axis.
y-intercept.
The y-intercept. So if the y-intercept is missing, that would tell us that the y-intercept is
0.
0. 0. So this one's going to start at 0. The slope is what?
3 over 4.
3/4. You can always, if you don't know what 0.75 is, do it in your calculator. Math, enter. Type in 0.75, math, enter. Up 3 over 4. Because at this point, you can use your calculator, and Miss Lovelace does not have time to teach you how to convert it. So, what is the solution?
8.6.
They cross at 8.6. What does the 8 represent?
It represents minutes.
And 6?
Distance from Sam's house.
Yo, am I hacking?
Distance from Sam's house. Okay. So if we had now these types of questions where they ask you what it represents, typically they'll write it in sentence form, but as long as you know what each number represents, you'll be able to find your sentence. Okay. 8 is minutes, not miles. 6 is miles, not minutes. Very important that you know the difference between your X and your Y values though, okay? Because I guarantee you there will be an answer choice on the STAR test where it will say 6 minutes, 8 miles. They'll flip-flop the variables, okay? All right, number 6, last one. We don't have to do number 7.
Yay.
Let's see. List a system of equations. This time we're working backwards. They're giving us the graphs, and what we have to do is write the equation of that line, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to number my 2 lines. This is going to be number line 1, line 2. So starting with line 1, this one right here. To write the equation of that line, I need 2 numbers. I need the slope and the y-intercept, okay? So what is the... Where can I write this?
The y-intercept is 90. No?
What is the y-intercept?
90.
90. Now give me a second number or a second point that we can use for the slope.
380.
380.
280, sorry.
280. Okay, now pay attention because we are rising by how many?
10.
10. So the rise is 10, the run is
2.
2.
Negative 2.
And negative 2, correct. And 10 over negative 2?
Is negative 5.
Yeah. So the first equation will be y is equal to negative 5x plus 90. Okay. Moving on to the second equation. We need the slope. We need the y-intercept. What's the y-intercept? 10. Give me a second point.
220.
430. Okay. What's the rise?
20.
20. What's the run?
4
And 20 into 4?
is 5.
5. So the second equation is y is equal to 5x plus 10. Where do those 2 lines cross? What is the solution?
850.
They cross at 850. Correct. That's all we're looking for today. It's just an introduction to it.
Yeah.